Thank you very much, Mercy. As you conclude, we saw you also addressing leaders face to face. What is your parting shot tonight?
I want to talk to the youths. Do not be silent. Your time is now. We cannot say you are leaders of tomorrow and while you are watching your country burning. Speak out, speak your truth to power. They will listen. To the county government of Uasin Gishu, return our money, refund our money. Please, we are urging you to be accountable. And lastly, I had spoken about having maybe depression and thinking about suicide. Right now, I am hopeful for a better tomorrow. I will not die, but I will live to see another day. So, please protect me at all costs. Do not come after my life or after my loved ones. I am not afraid. It is not a rally of me shying away, but it is a rally of telling you that I am a leader today and I will live to establish youth in this country and to create a better country, Kenya. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Lulu and Jeff. As you have heard from these three students, a sad affair, really indeed. And they are saying whatever they only want